Meet Breezy Blue, the disinfecting mini-bot that helps residential cleaners and service providers offer disinfecting services to increase profit. Breezy Blue disinfects homes and commercial spaces by filling a room with a fog of aerosolized hydrogen peroxide, removing over 99.9% of germs, viruses, and odors caused by bacteria in 1 minute or less of runtime per room. Entire homes can be thoroughly disinfected in just 5 to 10 minutes. Service providers seeking to grow their business now have a simple and easy-to-use device to upsell existing customers and win more new business with disinfection services. Breezy Blue is lightweight yet durable, and it can be used regularly and often without issue. Plus, Breezy disinfectant solutions are eco-friendly and Green Clean certified, removing pathogens and odors without leaving residue or fragrance. To start disinfecting, first clean a room as usual and prepare the space by ensuring no pets or occupants are inside. Place Breezy Blue in the doorway and press the button to disinfect. Close the door once the device stops fogging. Then repeat this process in the next room. Innovative cleaning service providers use Breezy Blue to add unique, profitable services to grow their business while also creating healthy, germ-free environments that allow their customers to thrive at home and work. Make disinfecting easy with Breezy.